Hi Coach, my name is Olivia, and in today's CoachVantage tutorial, I will show you how to create invoices without Stripe or PayPal integration. CoachVantage supports integrations to Stripe and PayPal as payment gateways. However, even if you don't integrate to these payment gateways, you can still send invoices to clients without the ability for them to make payments online. You will need to manually record offline payments made by clients if you don't integrate Stripe or PayPal to CoachVantage. Additionally, some clients may prefer to make offline payments by check or cash. You can still manually update your invoices by following these steps. From your CoachVantage dashboard, select Invoices on the left-hand side of your screen. This will bring you to a list of all of your invoices. Next, select the invoice that you would like to update. To do this, simply select the three-dot button menu here, and then click View Details. Selecting View Details will bring you to the View Invoice page here. To manually record a payment, simply select the green Record Payment button here. A pop-up window will appear, and you can then enter the relevant information and choose the payment method, which includes cash and check. For this example, I will make the amount paid $100, and I will select the date as today. Under Payment Method, click the drop-down menu to view the various options. In this example, I will select cash. You will see the remaining outstanding amount, in this case, is $0, and you also have the option to include a note to self. When you're ready, press Save to continue. After clicking Save, you will see that this invoice has now been marked as paid. In addition, you can see the payment history here. Now, when we go back to look at all of your invoices, you will see that this invoice has successfully been paid. It's that simple. Thank you for watching this CoachVantage tutorial on creating invoices without Stripe or PayPal integration. We're wishing you a beautiful week ahead. Happy coaching!